Hello everyone, as you all know me, this is Aruna. So it's been very long time since I last uploaded my videos on my YouTube channel. Today I decided myself to make one more video to upload on my YouTube channel. Now here for that I opened my camera, then I start recording my videos. So as you all know me, this is Aruna. So welcome back to our channel, Aruna's Home Classes. So here you people might know me actually. So the main intention of making these videos is to inspire the children, to motivate, to encourage the children who really want to communicate in English, who really want to learn this English language. So here I am giving the instructions and some strategies, some tips which are really helped me while when I was learning. So actually whatever the tips I have followed to get fluency in English, so I am sharing with you. I hope these tips will definitely helpful to you, I am thinking. So now here the question is, many times I have convey what is the tip that I have followed. The only mantra, the only key to successful to become a fluent speaker is that is practice. So without practicing, so nothing can be helpful actually. So here what I'm trying to say is, what I'm conveying to you, the people, for the people or for who want to improve their communication, is that you have to describe your surroundings. So whatever the condition it is, whatever the situation it is, so you just start to describe about your surroundings. If for example, if you go to any work, describe about your work. How was your day? So have you had any information, have you have any conversation with your colleagues and all the people? So these are the things you just describe in the English. So for that you need to get the little bit of a vocabulary. So you have to know some English vocabulary. So without vocabulary it's really difficult task to communicate, to speak in English. So that's you need to do, that you need to put effort to get that vocabulary. So that's what I can say. So until and unless you give work to your brain, or you give work, or you give train your mouth, nothing can be worked out. So no matter how many English videos you watch, no matter how many web series you stream, no matter how many times you watched a movie with the subtitles, so nothing will work out until and unless you start communicate in English. So it doesn't matter if you fail to communicate, so no problem. If you make mistakes, if the people will poke at you, or if you the people will make fun of you, it's nothing problem. So what you have to consider actually, now I just want to say one thing, that to overcome this hesitation, first thing that you need to do is to get rid of the fear from you, because start speaking. It doesn't matter how many times you make mistake, it doesn't matter how many times the friends or people make fun of it you. So what actually matters, whether you are seeing the improvement, or whether you are seeing the growth in your communication or not, is what truly matters to you. So I hope you have understood what my intention to convey this message towards you. And if you feel it is really useful, please give it a like and share. And also I can say something, that if you want to give any suggestions or any instructions to me, definitely I'll consider them. Please drop them in a comment box. I will consider it, and I'll try to use, or I will try to apply to my YouTube channel to grow, and I'll definitely follow your instructions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay connected with us to get more videos from our channel. Thank you.